how to cancel 3 mobile plan online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your phone application on your phone, and then what you're going to do is simply text PAC to 65075 to keep your number, or you can text STAC to 75075 in order to cancel without keeping your number, right? So you can choose whether you want to keep your number or cancel your number, right? So after doing that, like I said, you can either text PAC or you can text STAC, and then from there you can now simply text them in order to cancel your 3 mobile plan. It will automatically cancel it once you text it, right? So you can do that, or you can even sign into your 3.co.uk and use live chat in order to request cancellation too. Or you can get into your application, and then from here you can tap on account, and on your account you will be able to see help. What you're going to do is simply tap on help, and then you will be able to chat with the live chat in order to request a cancellation too. You can now pay off any remaining device plan balance if applicable, and just like that you'll be able to cancel your 3 mobile plan online.